quick unboxing video because I'm going to be doing a review on these shoes soon. So let's jump into it. Today, damn, they're hairy. What the hell? From Maya. So today we got some Toasty Air Forces, Air Force 107 LV8NN Toasty Air Force. Retail $145, size 9.5. Wish I got a 10 because the Toasty fit a bit tight because of that extra insulation. But all they had was 9.5, so I copped it. Black, white, black sail. I already have like the khaki versions of these, but the black ones are fire, and they have a little bit of blue. I just love blue. Always got to go for the blue. It always like makes me go for it, you know. Pushes it. You know, it just, what's the word? It makes me get it. I open it up, no paper in here, just the plain old shoes. They do have paper inside the shoes though, so that's nice. Actually, only one of them has paper inside. Guess the other one got tried on or something, or it was a return. I don't really know. But yeah, we got the classic Move to Zero box, brown. Very nice. If you don't know what Move to Zero is, it's basically like they use 20%, at least 20% recycled material on the product. Got the Move to Zero tag on here. Very nice, beautiful, beautiful shoe, as you can see. And we will show it. And now, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Now, I will go through the shoe and talk about it with you guys. I'm not gonna review it yet though, because the review will be in the next video that I will be doing for you guys. So stay tuned for the review on these so I can give you guys an honest opinion. But for this shoe, it's the same as the other one, like same design, just different colors. So we got this, there's even a little droplet of like glue on there. See, like the new shoes got lots of factory issues with them, I find. Even a little decoloration on the gum, a little bump there. Damn. Oh well, it's because I think the material went too far under. But yes, like I was saying, so we got this beautiful kind of like suede new, it's like more suede, but it's got a little bit of like, it's a little bit more harsher of it, like a harder of a suede, so it's less suedey. It's more like almost on the nubuck side. Suede inlets for the laces, and then suede all around the toe box. Then we got a nice black quilted toe box. Really love that. You got the quilting throughout the side, and then a white suede-ish, nubuckish check. And then you get these nice little vintage tags stitched on here. A nice little vintage like Nike flag, and a nice little vintage orange Nike logo. Underneath it says made in winter. So you know it's made for the winter, made in the winter time. Heat for your feet. That's what it says underneath the tags. If you want to see the details of that, stay till the end, till the preview. I always do a preview at the end of my videos with lighting and everything to show all the details of the shoe even more, closer up, better quality, everything. Anyways, see some fraying on the stitching. Of course, always a little bit of issues with Nike's factory stuff nowadays. We got this beautiful, thick stitched embroidery check on the back. That blue check is pretty much what tied it all together and made me have to get this shoe. Even stands out a little bit if you can't see that. Very, very, very nice. Love it. Then you got this dark off-white kind of like grayish air unit for the sole, and then you got this nice asphalt gray confetti gum, which is beautiful colorway. You got the stars at the top, on the toe, that star texture a little bit on the front as well to protect you from that extra winter conditions. It gets a little bit slippery, you need to have a better grip, and you got that waffle all around the edge throughout until you get that star on the back. So, you know, it's just a simple Air Force shoe. Not the best for winter, but it's just a normal Air Force tread with the air symbol on the bottom. You got your air units in there. And yeah, just some simple black nice laces. Very nice. They're like kind of like polyester-y. They're thin but nice laces, and you got the Move to Zero logo on the quilted tongue, a nice quilt tongue, made in Vietnam. You got the Move to Zero information inside there, Move to Zero logo on the tongue, no check or anything crazy. Then you got the size tag on the side in there, size 9.5, I think I said that. And then you got this gray quilt all around the ankle, this gray, not quilting, this gray fleece interior all around the ankle. It only leads to about right here on the foot, about halfway on the foot, and then it's just the quilting throughout, which is very comfy as well. And then you got that entire fleece sole, that lime green toasty sole with the patch Toasty logo stitched on. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but if you stay till the end, you can see the details. And yeah, that's about it. I'll put them on the feet now and show you guys how they look when I put them on the feet. See, my feet don't have shoes, and I will put shoes on now. Slide it on. I actually haven't tried these on yet. It's my first time trying them on. Perfect. Perfect timing, right, Maya? And then we got the left shoe. Here. This one obviously hasn't been tried on or anything, so it's all in factory setting. You got that just one tiny little paper. Ooh. And yeah, it is tight. That's the only issue. But I love how comfortable these are. I'm gonna need to get a size 10 next winter, just for like the comfort aspect, because they're so comfortable.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the